stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So friends to the face, I hear the voice, so you don't know, say a Cogency on the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have S1, no miming. So, you see the previous 3 no mimings that I did. Nita, MB, PS6 Squad, and Gully, right? Now, S1, I was wondering if I should have do the S1 one still, you know, because I haven't really seen S1 active on the music scene like that. And then, a couple days ago, I see them a wanted poster, but him wanted for a robbery. And they're like, going from most hated to most wanted. Be a thing I go on, you see me, for S1, other than music. Or maybe I drop music, when I just not request it, or I not see it. But anyway, man, I want to check it out still, because I used to check out S1 music back in the day when they used to, make enough song with, what name? The youth from 12, Sav 12. Yeah, when them and them used to make be a song. Yeah, me used to listen him. So, I don't waste no time, dog. So I jump in it. Click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. And yeah, leave a like and a comment and share with your friend them. Let's go. Hey.
You know who it is, man. It's Mr. Most Hated in the cut.
Hey.
Shout out to him by TV every time. You feel me?
Yeah.
You know what vibe is, man. Grrr. Bow.
Hey.
Are you listening?
Are you listening?
Huh?
I got 4 pockets full, call me little baby. Show you when I hold this mash, she said that I'm tapped, me, she know that I'm breezy. Throw me an X, go crazy, me see love, she know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy.
Okay, so I guess this one, that's why I never say own, recorded on the road, live on the road. Alright, so I don't know why this was recorded live. Maybe they'll tell me. But let's get into it. Still, it don't matter, because the beat sounding sick. And S1, him a go flow up on it already. So it just took me by surprise that it was live. But let's get into it.
Are you listening?
Are you listening? I am mad.
I got 4 pockets full, call me little baby. Show you when I hold this mash, she said that I'm tapped, me, she know that I'm breezy. Throw me an X, go crazy, me see love, she know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. Throw me an X and then I go crazy. I got 4 pockets full, call me little baby. Show you when I hold this mash, she said that I'm tapped, me, she know that I'm breezy. Throw me an X, go crazy, me see love, she know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. Throw me an X and then I go crazy. Step out in Balenci's, make sure that my bitch in Dior's. Cause she look this smash and I treat her right. Baby girl, come hold this fool. I just blew 7 bags on jeans, no fuss with it right. But you know S1 got the racks. Cause I was up front playing striker. I'm not right back. No need to defend. Why? Cause I'm all out tight. They mention my name and I'm rising the stack. Bitch know that I'm getting your clap. I got 4 pockets full, call me little baby.
I like that still. I tell you, bro, S1, people hate S1 now, but he's cold in terms of like flowing music-wise.
Cause she look this smash and I treat her right. Baby girl, come hold this fool. I just blew 7 bags on jeans, no fuss with it right. But you know S1 got the racks. Cause I was up front playing striker. I'm not right back. No need to defend. Why? Cause I'm all out. They mention my name and I'm rising the stack. Bitch know that I'm getting your clap. I got 4 pockets full, call me little baby. Show you when I hold this mash, she said that I'm tapped, me, she know that I'm breezy. Throw me an X, go crazy, me see love, she know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. Throw me an X and then I go
crazy.
Call me
little baby.
Show you when I hold this mash, she said that I'm tapped, me, she know that I'm crazy. Throw me an X, go crazy, me see love, she know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. Throw me an X and then I go crazy. Got packed, I clap, looked up. And told bro there's a brilliant drill. All they do is all lies, they Friday, you think city ain't in the field. Little man got done up, my blade turned.
Who got packed? Never yet hear S1 talk about somebody got packed. Who got packed?
You know that I'm brazy. Throw me your ex and then I go crazy. Got packed, I clap, looked up. And told bro there's a brilliant drill. All they do is all lies, they Friday. You think say they ain't in the field. Little man got done up, my blade turned ill. The same way that I got done. Just useful swinger. Ask bro how I swing it for real. Swing it for real. Did cap rap street rats this year, 3 of them been killed. If I'm wet, then how comes my blood didn't spill? I was hands on, but now I pay checks when I want a nigga drilled. But sometimes I lose it, throw me an X and spill.
He just said this year 3 of them's been killed. Who is he talking about, bro? Who lose 3 body in a year? I don't know, man.
Got done, just useful swinger.
Man said got down. Ugh. And if I just have buff with it, dog, I'm telling you, bro, this guy he loves music, bro.
Little man got done up, my blade turned ill. The same way that I got down, just useful swinger. Ask bro how I swing it for real. Swing it for real. Did cap rap street rats this year, 3 of them been killed. If I'm wet, then how comes my blood didn't spill? I was hands on, but now I pay checks when I want a nigga drilled. But sometimes I lose it, throw me an X and spill. Jump out and I dig it for real. I dig it for real.
He just did the gully thing. Wing that, ing that.
My blood didn't spill. I was hands on, but now I pay checks when I want a nigga drilled. But sometimes I lose it, throw me an X and spill. Jump out and I dig it for real. I dig it for real. How many man been juiced? Lost count for real. But it's whatever, it's whatever. Go be your friend, your dog, go quick. Go be your friend, your dog, go quick.
Wow. Okay now. Start fair, understand a little bit now. So maybe he's saying that, maybe the tree was probably Rose and Hayes and someone else. Okay. Yeah, there was a third guy. Yeah, there was a third little youth. Yeah, he was a student. I remember it was a fight before. There was a fight video before. And then the next video you see is just him on the pavement. Wow, that's crazy. Let me hear that again still. Wow, I guess I start to understand now.
I dig it for real. How many man been juiced? Lost count for real.
Dog, it's that ad-lib. Like, bro, the way him just flow, dog, is crazy.
How many man been juiced? Lost count for real. But it's whatever, it's whatever. Go be your friend, your dog, go quick. Go be your friend, your dog, go quick. I got 4 pockets full, call me little baby. Show you when I hold this mash, she said that I'm tapped, missy, know that I'm breezy. Throw me a dance, go crazy, missy, love that she know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. Throw me your ex and then I go crazy. I got 4 pockets full, call me little baby. Show you when I hold this mash, she said that I'm tapped, missy, know that I'm breezy. Throw me a ex, go crazy, missy, love that she know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. She know that I'm breezy. Throw me your ex and then I go crazy.
Really know the fucking vibe, man. Yeah, make sure you go run it up on all major digital streaming platforms.
I feel like the reason why them never play this one live, because it was moving up a lot, and you see the moving that sound. Perfume jacket, the puffer jacket, I got too loud in the thing, dog. Yeah, so I'm probably just that's probably why still. Cause the man they are perform, brother. The man have the most energy out of everybody. The man is bouncing, moving from side to side. The man a spin. The man a bop. The man a... You see me? He have the most energy out of the no man in the woman so far. So, that's probably why still. But you don't know. You never take nothing from it, though.
Yeah? Over and fucking out, man. One-time season.
One-time season. Bow. Don't know. That was S1. No, my man. That did 6 still. Like... S1 is really the most hated. People like to hate him a lot, dog, but he's not shit at music. That's one thing I can say. He's not shit at music. He's very good at music. And him do things different, dog, like him ad-libs, the things where him say, like the way him say it, like him different, dog. You understand? So you kind of rate that still. You see me? And then the is whatever, is so. You understand? Don't know. That did cool still. So big up S1, big up Tim and Barry for the no mimings. And big up you if you made it to the end of this reaction. Leave a comment if you made it right here. It's 8 something or 9 minutes something. You know what I'm saying? No, 8 minutes something. So, yeah, man. No, probably 9 minutes. Anyway, man, just leave a comment if you made it to this far of the video. I'm just drag out the video. That. Why? I don't know. Because you don't really need to make the 10 minute like that again. So, don't know. Cogency and Cogency reacts. Boxing on your face, you channel. And I'm out this motherfucker, right? Peace. Say no to violence.
Yeah. Them want them
fuck them know for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get roll